Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this PCIe X1 card. It's from GLOTRENDS IC, and yes, this is to expand your computer with extra cards. So yes, this is the box. It calls 2-in-1 M.2 PCIe lane. So we're going to check it. Voila, so this is inside the box. So this is the item as you can see it. There is a 2-in-1 design for a Wi-Fi adapter and a mini PCIe. So this is the USB cable. There is a cable for USB. Then you have two antennas for your Wi-Fi cards, some screws, and then the metal backplates. This is for a half-length slot, or how do you call it? And then a screwdriver I see, I'm not sure what this is, some cardboard, and then you have the card itself. And here this is to tape the cables from the Wi-Fi. So here you have the card. So you see the card. So here you can put your Wi-Fi controller, and here you can put your mini PCIe NVMe, for example, and then you have here the one-time PCIe slot, and you can put it into your computer like that. So in my next movie we are going to install this, but this is only an unboxing video. Don't forget to subscribe, because we are giving away nice prizes of subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. So please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this movie, yeah, please like it, because if you like this, we can show you more from these movies. So yes, so you see here the Wi-Fi card. It's an E-key, M.2 E-key Wi-Fi card, and here we have an M.2 NVMe Express, and this is the chipset controller for yeah, it's a hub, I think. So this is it. So I hope you like my video, and I see you the next time. Bye bye.